Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2026 Volvo EX40. This is Volvo's original all-electric vehicle. In 2019, the XC40 came out. A couple years later, Volvo retooled that gas vehicle, so it's the same platform as the gas vehicle, and they managed to figure out how to remove the engine from the front, add 2 motors to each axle, and the battery pack runs all along the bottom, giving this a nice solid center of gravity. And there's no compromise between, this and a gas car as far as space is concerned. Sometimes on electric cars, the battery pack fills up the cargo area and things like that. But you actually gain a little bit of space with this because you get a frunk. It's not a ton of space, but space it is. All electric vehicles will now have the E in front of the letters and numbers now. So when this came out, it was the XC40 Pure Electric Recharge. So same cargo area as the gas version. Your cable is in here. Nice little secret compartment there. These are absolute champions in the snow. So if you are looking for an electric vehicle and you're driving in New England, this is the move. So you can do a level 2 or a level 3 charger. And the window sticker says 260 miles on it on a full charge. This is so exciting. This is the first time I have seen the Dawn Microtech and Textile seats. So these look a lot like the Ocean Race seats with the open weave on the sides. If the piping were orange, these would be like Ocean Race seats. So if you know, you know. They're super cool. And it's the first time that the XC40 has had a light, or the EX40 has had a light interior. They've since now been all dark interiors. So cool XC40 things are the removable trash can, the hook on the glove box, beautiful wood trim, Google Maps up here as well. And then, there we go. And then from your home screen, you can go into drive modes and turn on the 1-pedal drive. That will increase your range 5 to 10%. It feels a little bit different. Takes a little bit getting used to. You might want to drive alone with that first, but it's a nice way to connect to your car and to check things out. Feel it in that way. Increase your range. So the target battery level is 90%, but if you're going on a long trip, absolutely you can drum it up to 100%. And then you can, if you're at your friend's house or something and all of a sudden you have no battery power, you can literally plug this into a household outlet when you have it down to 10 amps. If your cord can reach the outlet. Never use an extension cord on these electric cars. So if you've been thinking about it, why not find out how much fun it is to drive a fully electric Volvo SUV. This is stock number 269238. It's available for immediate delivery, so come find us. We're on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.